Good day everyone and welcome. So today we're going deep into Brevo, the all-in-one marketing and communication platform, formerly known as Sendinblue. So if you've been looking for an affordable yet powerful tool for email marketing, SMS campaigns, CRM and automation, Brevo might already be on your radar. But is this the right choice for your business? Well, in this review we'll cover everything: features, pricing, usability, who it's best for, and where it falls short. And also guys, if you're looking to try Brevo for yourself, use code ReviewRadar to get really cool discounts and 50% off thanks to our affiliate links. You can find them down below in the video description. So now let me give you an introduction about what is Brevo. So Brevo is more than just email marketing platform. At its core, it's started as Sendinblue, a service focused heavily on transactional emails and bulk campaigns. Over time, it evolved into Brevo, a broader communication suite. Now, Brevo offers email marketing, SMS marketing, WhatsApp messaging, live chat, marketing automation, a built-in CRM, and even features like sign-up forms and landing pages. So instead of piecing together multiple tools, Brevo aims to give you everything under one roof. So one of Brevo's strengths is its beginner-friendly interface. The dashboard is clean, and setting up campaigns is straightforward. The drag-and-drop email editor is intuitive, letting you build professional-looking emails without needing coding skills. So even the automation workflow builder is designed visually, so you can set up sequences like welcome emails, cart abandonment reminders, or lead nurturing funnels without confusion. That said, if you're used to platforms like MailChimp or HubSpot, Brevo might slightly be more stripped down in design polish. But in terms of getting work done, it's practical and efficient. Okay, and now guys, let us break down the Brevo's main features. Firstly, we have email marketing. You can create newsletters, announcements, and drip campaigns. Deliverability is strong, which matters if you're sending thousands of emails. Also, we have transactional emails. This is a huge advantage. Many competitors don't include this natively, but with Brevo, you can send auto confirmations, password resets, and shipping updates directly. Now, the next one we have is marketing automation. You can build automated workflows based on customer behavior, like page visits, clicks, or purchases. While not as advanced as enterprise tools like ActiveCampaign, it's very capable for small to mid-sized businesses. Also, we have SMS and campaigns. So this is where Brevo sets itself apart. You can go beyond email and reach your customers directly on their phones. Few platforms combine this under one plan. Also guys, Brevo includes a simple but effective CRM to keep track of your contacts, deals and conversations. It's not as robust as Salesforce or HubSpot, but for small teams it's more than enough. Next up is live chat and shared inbox. So you can integrate a chat widget into your website and your team can respond to inquiries directly inside Brevo. The shared inbox also helps centralize communication across email and chat. And also guys, you can collect leads directly from your site with customizable forms and landing pages. They're not as advanced as dedicated landing page builders, but they integrate perfectly with your campaigns. Alright, so now let us discuss the pros and cons. So compared to MailChimp or HubSpot, Brevo's pricing is much more acceptable. Even the free plan is generous, letting you spend up to 300 emails a day. Instead of juggling multiple tools for email, SMS, CRM, and automation, Brevo combines all. Emails actually land in inboxes, which is critical. A big differentiator versus competitors is transactional emails are included. And also it's scalable, it works well with freelancers, small businesses, and even growing e-commerce brands. And now let's discuss cons guys. So firstly, while powerful, it doesn't go as deep as ActiveCampaign or HubSpot in terms of segmentation and complex workflows. The email and landing page templates are good, but not as modern or varied as those from MailChimp or ConvertKit. Also, beginners will get started easily, but if you dive into advanced automation or CRM features, it can feel overwhelming. And also, SMS credits aren't included in regular plans, so they are pay-as-you-go, which can get pricey at scale. And now, let us of course discuss the pricing. So firstly, we have the free plan, send up to 300 emails per day with unlimited contacts, perfect for testing the platform. Then we have the starter plan, removes the daily sending cap and starts at very affordable monthly rates. Then we have the business plan, adds more advanced automation, A/B testing and reporting. And enterprise is for large-scale organizations that need custom features and dedicated support. Our SMS and WhatsApp campaigns are charged separately based on usage. So compared to MailChimp, where pricing quickly escalates as your contact list grows, Brevo stays far more budget-friendly. And now guys, before we make a conclusion, let us discuss who this platform is really for. So firstly, small businesses and startups. It's affordable and easy to set up. E-commerce stores, thanks to transactional emails, automation and SMS integration. Also, marketers on a budget. Now you get advanced features without premium pricing, and teams wanting all-in-one tools instead of stitching together multiple platforms. However, if you're a large enterprise needing extremely advanced CRM capabilities or highly complex automation, you may find Brevo limiting compared to HubSpot or ActiveCampaign. And let us also briefly compare Brevo to other services. So for example, versus MailChimp, Brevo is more affordable and includes transactional emails, while MailChimp has stronger design tools and integrations. Then versus HubSpot. HubSpot offers more depth and enterprise level features, but Brevo is a fraction of the price. And versus ConvertKit. So ConvertKit is more creative focused with great tagging and automation for digital products, but Brevo is stronger for multi-channel marketing like SMS and WhatsApp. So guys, is Brevo worth it? If you want an affordable, reliable and all-in-one marketing platform, Brevo is absolutely worth considering. It covers email, SMS, automation, CRM and transactional emails all in one place, something that's rare at this price point. So once again, my friends, if you'd like to try Brevo for yourself, I've included a link in the video description so you can check it out and see if it fits your needs. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to our channel and let me know in the comments what tool you're currently using for email marketing. See you soon.